Creating a website with Relume Website Builder is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a website with Relume Website Builder. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google here. You simply have to search for Relume Website Builder, and then you have to go to the first website. Now, after going to the first website, I'm going to tell you some of the basic procedures which you need to do. Here, you simply have to create a quick account. After creating the account, you will be able to use AI to either design your site or you can do it manually. First of all, you need to identify the sitemap, that how your website will be working. So just have to identify that. After creating this, identifying the features, you simply have to edit it. Now, editing it means whenever you will see all of these things very carefully, you will find mistakes which you have to edit it to fix it. After making it perfect, you simply have to create a wireframe. Now, wireframe is actually structure of the website. You have to create it. You will easily be able to do it on your Relume builder just because it is a drag and drop, so you won't have any problem. Now you just have to create wireframe. Now at the end, in order to create or confirm it, you simply have to add your features according to you, add photos, and there you go, fill up the wireframes according to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to create a website on Relume. Hope you guys find this very helpful.